Hey, what's up guys? We have this amazing basement here. We have Danny, Brooke, and Nino. We're gonna walk you through this project. You're absolutely gonna love it. Right over here, we have this great outdoor entrance. It's almost the length of the house that we added. But look at this sitting area right here, how beautiful and cozy with this great wall unit. But this wall unit has a really cool hidden door right here. But the best part about this little lounge area is the bar. And Danny's gonna walk you through what we did here to get that motorcycle in this bar.
Yeah, it was quite the feat. A lot of hands on deck. We had to make sure that everything was structurally sound, even on the early stages, to make sure they would carry the weight. It's about 1,000 pounds. So a lot of planning went into this. And it really looks amazing.
So there's a lot going on here. Obviously the weight was really important, but we also wanted to utilize the space underneath, so we had to build the structure and still allow for appliances and cabinet storage. We also had to prep this bike and get the oil out of it and turn it really from a motorcycle to a piece of art. But something interesting about this too, we really wanted to make the focal point the motorcycle. So the bar itself, although it is very beautiful and has a lot of detail, it's not over the top. I mean, we do have the nice wine storage. It's classy and done right, but really the focus of this whole bar is right here. All right, so just adjacent to the bar, we got this great pool table area. We put this tray ceiling in right here.
Yeah, a lot of detail with the ceiling. Great wallpaper design here as well in this bump out.
We had this existing double 6-foot door here at this area, but then we added that giant 8-footer with all the glass over on the other side. That's why you got so much natural light in here. But Danny, show us that we got a hidden door over here too that came out really well.
Bottom of the stairs, the paneling goes up the staircase completely. And then these swing ins for these hidden doors are very successful. So you can hardly tell that this is a door at all, but it's a storage area back there, so we really didn't want a door at the bottom of the stairs.
Yeah, but what a great area. All right, so when we come through this back area, you can't help but to notice this just incredible ceiling. So Danny, why don't you talk about this a little bit, because this is just fantastic. And first time we ever did anything like this.
Yeah, it's amazing. Really, and it looks great when the lights are dimmed and it's dark and the lighting above it just is really striking. All these were individually cut on CNC machine. They're all pre-finished material. So we had the mortise and tenon, the side supports. So there's a lot of detail that went into building and supporting this, but it's really a special design. Haven't done it before, but we're excited to hopefully do it again.
So it's really nice because it was like a tray ceiling here, but then this was inserted later, but you put the structural support in to do it, and really cozy. So the house had this little bump out natural area right here, so I thought this was a great idea to use it for a place to sit, eat, play cards, TVs right there. Really worked out nice. One of the things I really love to do in these basements is these kids' spaces, and they've evolved so much over time. I mean, look at this one here. We got this really cool rock wall, and this is really done well, structural support, and we got plywood on here. Brooke, show us, we'll hold you there. Look at that. So, and then you got this great design. And then look over here, we have this carpenter's cottage, right? This is really cool because the house had the structure that bumped out, but we kept the facade straight, and then we put these dormers in there. So we've never done dormers before in a playhouse. So it's just really unique. Even Nino pointed this out earlier, the soffit. Yeah. Really cool. And then check out these monkey bars, Nino. Why don't you give that a run?
Get up there.
We put all this support in advance and make sure it's nice and strong, no matter who does it. You know, whether it's Nino or a little kid or anything like that. And it's really cool. Look at these things, don't even shimmy. And it's right adjacent to the sitting area. So these spaces are just fantastic for kids, adults, you name it.
Hey, we have a beautiful spa here. We did a double sink with an LED mirror in this area. So when you walk in this spa on the left side, we have a traditional sauna. Beautiful, probably fit about 8 to 10 people in there. And then on this side, we have an infrared sauna. So the customer wanted 2 different types of saunas. So we accomplished both of that for him. And here is a huge shower. It also is a steam shower. We pitched the ceiling at the top to let the water drip down where the steam settles. And there's also an iPad in there to play music, really do whatever you want. In this area, we did a private toilet just in case there's multiple people in the spa and someone needs to use the bathroom.
Hey guys, so right out of the spa that Nino showed you guys, we have the gym right here, we have a Peloton over here, we have a tonal and big open space. I mean, you could see we have some really cool artwork, so if you want to touch
Yeah, this
on
is
that.
all custom made, and actually all the sayings and all the artwork and graffiti on here was just done for them, and they have their Penn State logo up here in these sayings.
And it's cool too, because everything is dark, so this is like the one area there's like a little bit of color.
I love
in
it.
the
It
basement.
really is sharp, like a fake elevator built into that spot right there, which is really cool. Yeah, so this just opens up and brings you right back out into the main part of the basement. As you can see here, as soon as we exit, we got the spa on that side, and we have the bar over here. And yeah, what an amazing basement. And really thank you guys for taking this tour. We're super proud of this one.